ogono na afio agwa m unu na the rule to this life is very simple. Ịmara ife ya wee meru ọ ya adọghị mma emekwo na ya onye ọzọ. You can continue to give what you cannot take. Fada Mbaka onye ohi ndoka ohi help nwa baby virgin nka Mbaka hụrụ nka ọ na-afị ebe niile na-afị n'elu na-ada n'ala without any evidence of igosi ebe Mbaka zuru ohi ma ebe ndị bishop ma ndị fada zuru ohi. Nwata nwaanyị ekwugharị ya n'okwu from America ịchọwa onye ya sendere details ya ihe eji wee gba ya akwụkwọ wee bata. But by the way, o nwere something fantastic iji ụwa gosiri anyị and achọrọ nke anyị pay attention ka anyị wee mmadụ kenne iya ala mba Ezeaku iya harụ ịla mba Ezeaku na ekwu ụdọ ofu ka ihe ewolu gee ntị.
My name is Ezeaku. Ezeaku, this Bible have murdered people. Oh, wait for Mathias. There was Mathias.
You said it yourself. Don't ever call me Mathias. My name is Ezeaku. Yeah? Did the woman say Ezeaku na mu nyere ego? She simply said, Mathias, I gave you money. You pledged me to give you money. So, all the kwuru maka agogo mo no na Facebook una na sawasi onu una na elewasi onu na ekwueli just for the moment. That moment gacha, the next moment change area. But there are people who will always be there to show you, to play the tape of your documents to you. Key welfare documentation when you say to her, that will stare at your face. You denounce Mathias, that Mathias Abulafalo. Now you are the same person, na mabu no ye Mathias ego. In a woman, there is a video evidence that this Saposnago Mathias. Never wage your fortune. Now the woman made an accusation against Mathias and not Ezeaku. It's an Hebrew Nyoka. Mathias is a name from the Bible, and for the mere fact that need denounce to go Bible, denounce all Christianity. Anything to do with even before Ijo Wakuiva. Ejebona himself can chetalo ni puru na Mathias abrozia faro. Even melu ni change from your documents because of not the difficult na gono mere na agbo if ya we just wa affidavit na ndotu ipugari ya family o mo ko konde na agbo wagwango wuwe ha woro bro ha we ko drum. So you don't have a case to answer. Moreover, why are you so much uncomfortable with a game you are an expert in playing? Are you not the one who is an expert in Ekwende Madundoi? Go an expert in Ekwende Madundowayo? Even when none of them have scammed you, even when none of them go to wayo, you never had any dealing or transaction with any of them. But in your own case, you cannot be sure because NGO. And you don't even know the people who are working at that NGO. So I can wake up tomorrow and say that I can wake up tomorrow and demand an accountability from you because you don't know the people who are paying money into that NGO account. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes, that is what I'm saying. So if you want to to because it won't matter baby megari mpoto onafubo hife ono ya amugido ogwu ebi ife unu na anu so ogwu na amolodo ono amolodo ife unu na anu ogwu unu just na anu ogwu na atukasi okpo left right and center without knowing the target of onu na anu if oka wuri ilu the other go ona ya got ife nkuru so matiko nwa mama you have to make do with what you give out. Don't give out what you cannot take. Accusation without having any proof, my brother. Swallow it. It is good. What is good for the goose is good for the gander, my brother. There is a day an injustice anywhere is an injustice everywhere. It cannot be an injustice in your house and be a justice in my house. It's not possible. So you gotta Oga, come and give account of your NGO.